Good afternoon, everyone. I'm sorry that due to some persistent connectivity issues, I will not be able to join you guys live, but I thank Seagull International for organizing a very relevant session in these times. And thanks to Dr. Suresh Kumar Madhusudan and Mr. Manjeet Sura for giving us the platform to talk and discuss on this topic. Thanks for inviting me. Even though I cannot be there, I wanted to share some learnings from my experience with the early stage startups who are building an idea into a business. In today's environment, to sustain as a business, same principles apply. The companies need to be agile. And I would urge you all to feel free to go back to the drawing board or your strategy notebook and do it often. It is not an yearly exercise anymore. The world and situation is changing every week. Listen to the customers. Be open to ideas on what could be done as a business. Let innovation in through all means and by involving all your employees at all levels. Agility and speed. These are the two things that are going to be important. Agility and speed of execution to test and build an idea is what will govern the success of an enterprise in these times. Moreover, look at this problem as a problem which affects all, and we need to come together in these times. If all of us contribute together to a few basics: one, controlling the spread of COVID 19, two, fulfilling the basic needs of the population, food, essentials, supply chain, and three, enhancing the healthcare ecosystem to be able to serve people for non-COVID and COVID related needs in a very timely manner to enable a normal way of life and reduce the panic which may prevent people from returning to a normal way of life. These three will help us speed up the recovery, and it is in everyone's best interest to contribute towards that. If we fail on these counts, we will be collectively responsible for the slow pickup of the economy. On the other hand, coming together, we can get all of us back on track much faster. Moreover, apart from a collective effort, there is an opportunity for innovation and new business models in these areas. So, look around, see the problems that you see as an opportunity to do something new, to solve something new, to serve something new, someone new, and innovate. I think if we take that attitude, we all can reduce, we can all can minimize the bad effects of the slowdown, the lockdown, etc. And we will all come together at the end of it successful and more resilient to these things. So with that, I thank you all once again and hope that you all have a very nice and fruitful discussion on the topic. All the best. Thank you.